Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 from DIBA 2B. Will present Malaysia Airlines and Aero Airlines. Our group members consisted of 6 people. First, Putri Ana binti Muhammad Kasim, Daniel Hakim bin Muhammad Shazli, Muhammad Sufi bin Muhammad Faris, Muhammad Rizwan bin Abdul Rashid, and finally Wan Azizi bin Wan Abdullah.
Is the flag carrier of Malaysia and a member of the One World Airline Alliance. The company Malaysia Airlines Berhad MAB commenced operations as the national carrier on 1 September 2015. When Malaysian Airline System MAS was dissolved from Bursa Malaysia in 2014 and subsequently ceased operations on August 31, 2015. The airline began as Malayan Airways Limited, which was founded in Singapore in 1930, and the first passenger flight was on April 2, 1947. 5 passengers flew between Singapore's Kallang Airport and Kuala Lumpur's Sungai Besi Airport. It was then renamed as Malaysian Airways after the formation of the Federation of Malaysia in 1963. In 1966, the airline was renamed Malaysia Singapore Airline MSA. From there on, in 1972, it was renamed to Malaysian Airline System MAS, and this name is used until now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putriana binti Muhammad Kasim. I from DIBA 2B. Today, I will explain about the organization's charts owned by Malaysia Airlines. The highest position in the company is the position of Group Chief Executive Officer held by Izham bin Ismail. The next level is held by the positions of COO Amal by Malaysia Airlines held by Muhammad Najmi bin Mansur. And the position of Group Chief Strategy Officer where it is held by Brian Fong Cheng Nyong. While then the position of Group Chief Financial Officer held by Hui Yi. Finally, the position of Group COO, namely Ahmad Lokman Muhammad Azmi, and the position of Group Chief Human Capital Officer Muhammad Khalish Abdul Rahim.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Azizi bin Wan Abdullah. I come from DIBA 1D, and I would like to share to you all about product and services from MAS. Malaysia Airlines provide air transportation and travel service like flights ticket, hotel, and taxi. Malaysia Airlines also offers shipping services that is mass cargo. Merchandise also the product of Malaysia Airlines such as clutch bag, t-shirt, cap, mug and toiletries.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Daniel Hakim bin Muhammad Shazli from DIBA 2B. This is marketing strategies for Malaysia Airlines. Malaysia Airlines focuses on their customers, especially students, because students usually choose Malaysia Airlines as their flight to go to their campus. For example, me from Kota Baru, Kelantan, want to go to Kuala Lumpur. I want to go back to my campus, and then I choose Malaysia Airlines as my flight. Because Malaysia Airlines provide the special website that is MH Explorer that give discount to students. This strategy can make more students choose Malaysia Airlines as their air transportations. For example, this is, as you can see, the member card for student. So I register that day, and then I got a lot of promotion for the flight tickets.
When airline executives think about how to make air travel more sustainable, the biggest arrow points to the full burn to keep planes in the air. For short haul flight, there's some encouraging movement for zero emission planes, such as those running on electricity, but for everything else, it comes down to what fuel you can switch to. The goal of using sustainable aviation fuels or SAFE is to reduce the amount of greenhouse gas emitted during the lifetime of the fuels. From production to combustion, compared with current petroleum-based jet fuels, the scale of that reduction depends on the process used to make the fuel and the carbon source. And even though some SAFE boast significant emission reduction, few are made at large scale.
Aero Airlines was founded by a Malaysian businessman, that is Muhammad Rizwan bin Abdul Rashid, in Malaysia in 2019 with government assistance. The first passenger flight was on June 23, 2021. 4 passengers flew between Singapore's Changi Airport and Sepang, Selangor KLIA. First aeroplane that used by the company is Airbus A320.
So, this is the organization chart of our company. Group Chief Executive Officer handed by Muhammad Rizwan bin Muhammad Rashid. Next, the positions of COO Aero Airlines is handed by Muhammad Sufi bin Muhammad Faris. And the position of Group Chief Strategy Officer is Daniel Hakim bin Muhammad Shazli. Finally, the position of Group Chief Marketing and the Customer Experience Officer is handled by Wan Azizi bin Wan Abdullah, and the positions of Group Chief Financial Officer is Putri Ana binti Muhammad Qasim.
And back to me, Wan Azizi bin Wan Abdullah from the Batu B. I would like to touch you all right now about product and services from Aero Airlines. Aero Airlines, known as a flight company, and they are providing travel services like flight tickets. Aero Airlines also a courier services, same like Mascargo, but I think it's better we name it as Aero Cargo. And engineering services also provided by Aero Airlines company.
I'm back. My name is Daniel Hakim, and this is marketing strategies for Aero Airlines. Aero Airlines usually launch a promotion weeks when a special event is coming. For example, Ramadan, Aidilfitri, Chinese New Year, and so on. For example, as we can see, for Aidilfitri, a lot of people want to go back to their village, and then they will choose air transportation. They will choose airplane for their air transportation because airplane can arrive at their destination very fast. This situation can make the company get more profit when the special event is coming. A lot of people will book the flight tickets. This company also gives some free merchandise for the passengers to make them happy flying with Aero Airlines. For example, when we fly with Aero Airlines, we can give you all we give you all a merchandise like mug, cap, keychain, lanyard, and so on to make our customer love to fly with us. For engineering, Aero Airlines have a special hangar for their customers, and the engineering pod is very big and comfortable. This is for engineering. Engineer can do their work more comfortable when they get a big pod for them to do their work.
We are making the current fleet lighter and more efficient and using new air traffic control techniques to save emissions. For example, landing using a continuous descent into an airport save at least 150 kg of CO2 per flight. Adding wingtip device to an aircraft can reduce fuel use by 4. Aircraft noise can be disturbing to those who live around airports. For decades, the industry has been working to reduce noise. With significant progress, noise levels have halved in the past 10 years. It is estimated that the noise footprint of each new generation of aircraft is at least 15% lower than previous models.